Hey, it's Jay Fairbrother from the Local Coach. Wanted to show you a process to, number one, 100% verify whether a website is mobilized or not. And then number two, easy way to get the two pieces of information, a before photo of what the website looks like currently on a mobile phone, as well as a QR code that, especially if you're doing any kind of email marketing, it's a great idea to send the QR code as a picture embedded in the email, so that if a business owner is reading the email on their computer, they can grab their phone, scan the QR code, and see exactly how their site looks like on their own mobile phone. It's kind of a verification process for them to say, oh yeah, this is how it looks like. So a couple things. One is that I know that for a lot of people they use this Mobilizer software, and it's great for previewing if you're working on a site, mobilizing it to preview what it's looked like as you're going, but it isn't always an accurate representation of what this site really looks like on a mobile phone. As you'll see here on my South City Deli example, it takes the upper left hand corner of the website and portrays that that's the way it appears on a mobile phone. In fact, most phones these days miniaturize sites. Some still take the upper left corner like this is showing, but this isn't always accurate. You don't want to send a business owner a snapshot of this upper left corner when in fact this is not how the site appears on most phones. So the first thing I want to show you is how to truly verify for yourself. So this would be, let's say I have selected, South City Deli is a target prospect. I found them in my lead scraper or research or through LinkedIn or whatever. They're a chamber member. I have identified that I want to verify first that they're a mobile site. So if I go to my Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store, and under apps or extensions I search for QR code generator, it'll come up with, you'll see a number of products here. The one you want is this one right here, it's just called QR code generator. It's by adamurl.net, this one right here. If you download this, it's free, add it to your browser, you'll see now up here that I've added it. I've got a little QR code icon up here in my menu bar. That's if I want to create a QR code for anything, but I don't need to use that to do what I want to show you. Let's come back to my Sal City page, and I want to know whether their site's mobilized. So really simple, now that I have this extension added in Chrome, I right click on this page. You can do it on any page or URL you're on. In this menu box down here, make QR code from current URL. I quickly make a QR code. I take my cell phone and scan that QR code, and I have 100% verification for myself without wondering if the software or emulator I'm using is correct. I know exactly how that phone, whether that site is mobilized or not. Now that's step one, and I've done that without any typing, because I didn't have to go into my phone and type the URL, and so quick, simple, just right click and boom, I've got a QR code. Now more importantly, what I want to do is download this image, because I'm going to take that QR code and I'm going to email it to the business owner, hoping that they scan it on their own phone as proof positive 100% verification that their site looks like crap. So now with this one simple step, I've 100% verified and I've downloaded the image. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to get a snapshot picture of what the site looks like currently. So there's another emulator, an online emulator, mobilephoneemulator.com, which is this site right here. The first thing it'll do, it'll ask you to specify your monitor size, and it gives you a huge drop down. What I've learned is that regardless of what your monitor size is, the smaller number you pick here, the larger your phone image is going to appear on your screen. So I always pick a size slightly smaller. Now you get this window here and you can adjust the size, and the default phone shows an iPhone 5. I change it to 4 because it's not that long or skinny. It's more sort of a universal picture. Then I go in here and I type the URL. So I'll put in my Sal's City Deli. Very quickly, this will bring up my site, show it accurately how it's portrayed. You see it's miniaturized. Now what I can do is I can take any screen capture tool. I can use Snagit, or I'm on Windows, so there's what's called the snipping tool that's included. I just go in New, and I take a quick little picture of this. Now I've got and I can save it as, I'd save it as Sal's before pic or something like that. Save it to my computer. And now I have got both my before snapshot and my QR code to send to a business owner. Real simple. So two tools here to create both an image of a before shot as well as a QR code and 100% verify if a site's mobilized. Hope this helps.